Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner for sale. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Number 5. Coredy Robot Vacuum. Brand name, Coredy. Max vacuuming mode increases vacuum power to 1400 PA to deliver a deeper clean whenever you need. Only clean areas you want. Optional cleaning modes for various messes. Moves effortlessly over thresholds. Seamlessly cleaning debris from corners and edges. All new re-engineered anti-collision sensors. 27-degree side brushes keep in close contact with wall edges, ideal for sweeping debris along with walls and corners. Auto-adjust cleaning head and 2 large wheels moves effortlessly from hard floor to carpets to get the mess. Powered by 2600 mAh Li-ion battery, the Coredy robotic vacuum cleans for up to 120 minutes per charge, meaning all of the rooms in your home can be cleaned from a single charge. Number 4. Liectroux Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Liectroux. The robot can detect the entire environment around and then build up the map inside the CPU so that it do cleaning with plan from one room after another. The robot is with memory to know where is cleaned while where hasn't, thus one-time sweeping coverage is more than 98%. The cleaning path repetition rate is about 1%. Humanized design with voice reminder. The robot will remind you when charging, starts to do cleaning, full of dustbin or glitch, etc. High efficient cleaning. The suction power is pretty strong. The design of primary filter combining with HEPA filter avoids the secondary air pollution. Besides, the suction power is adjustable so that we could choose a quieter mode. Wi-Fi app control. The Wi-Fi connection is extremely swift. The app can show real-time working route of the robot. Electric control water tank ensures even water seepage. The water seepage stops automatically if robot stops working. The huge water volume of 350 milliliters ensures continuous wet mopping up to 100 minutes. Number 3. Ilife Smart Vacuum. Brand name, Ilife. Smart plan cleaning robot vacuum with app control. Under the guidance of the Gen 3 Cyclone Power Cleaning System. Smart planned cleaning. The Gen 2 planned cleaning system performs accurate space zoning before planning a cleaning route for A7. Multiple schedule modes, buttons on the body remote control app, allowing you to preset cleaning schedule for any time and any day. Automatic escape function. A7 can escape from the narrow area such as the dining areas where stands many chairs and tables. Large dustbin with high performance filters. The 600 milliliters dustbin extends A7's operating time and requires less emptying. The 3-layer high performance filters capture and filter more dust. Slim body design. The robot will automatically go back to home base to charge when battery runs low. Number 2. Xiaomi Smart Cleaner. Brand name, Xiaomi. Intelligent planning path, memory family layout, cleaning every corner. Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, timing boot, automatic cleaning for home and office, automatic charging. V-shaped floating roller brush. 1800 PA large suction, brushless motor, the noise is less than 55 dB. 420 ml dust box, double filter system, effective filter dust, mites, and more clean air. 5200 mAh long life Li battery, it can cleaning 250 square meters of the environment. 96 mm slim design enable this robot vacuum cleaner working in the narrow space. Number 1. Roborock Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Roborock. Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, timing boot, automatic cleaning for home and office, automatic charging. Intelligent planning path, memory family layout, cleaning every corner. V-shaped floating roller brush. 2000 PA large suction, brushless motor, the noise is less than 55 dB. 480 ml dust box, double filter system, effective filter dust, mites, and more clean air. 150 ml water tank, evenly seepage to the microfiber mop. 5200 mAh long life Li battery. It can cleaning 250 square meters of the environment.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.